Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to reset your Voyager luggage password. It's a simple process, whether you're setting a new code for the first time or changing an existing one. Keeping your luggage secure is super important, and knowing how to reset your lock ensures your valuables are always protected. We'll go through each step clearly, so you can confidently set a new, easy-to-remember 3-digit combination for your next adventure. To begin, make sure your lock is set to its current combination. If it's brand new, this is usually 3 zeros. Now, carefully examine your lock for a small, recessed button or a tiny hole. This is your reset mechanism. It's often found on the side, bottom, or even near the dials. You'll need a pointy object, like a pen tip or a straightened paperclip, to gently press and hold this small button down. With the reset button firmly pressed, you can now set your new combination. Carefully rotate each of the 3-number dials to your chosen new code. Take your time to ensure each digit is perfectly aligned. It's a great idea to pick a combination that is meaningful to you, making it easy to remember. Once your new 3-digit code is correctly displayed, you can gently release the reset button. Your new combination is now set. Now for the final, crucial step, testing your new code. First, scramble the numbers on the dials to lock the mechanism. Then, enter your newly set 3-digit combination. The lock should open smoothly. It's a good practice to test your new code a few times to ensure it works consistently. This simple verification step gives you peace of mind, knowing your Voyager luggage is securely locked and ready for your next journey. Happy travels!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.